How to fix Messenger not sending pictures. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, you have to make sure you have updated your Messenger app to its latest version. For that, open your Play Store and search for the app Messenger. After app appears, you can find the option of open or update. In the case you find the option of update, tap on it and update your Messenger app to its latest version. After you do that, you can just try to send the pictures, and if it solves your problem, then you don't have to jump into the other process. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then next solution is you have to clear cache and data of your Messenger app. So head towards this option of settings, tap on it, go to the option of apps, select the option of manage apps. Now search for the app Messenger. After you land to this page, at the bottom you can find the option of clear data, tap on it, tap on clear cache, tap on OK. Now from here you have to allow all permissions for this app, so head towards this option of app permissions, open it. Now from here you have to allow all the permissions, just open each of them and allow it. Just don't leave any of the option don't allow. Allow all permissions. This will also fix your problem. By applying this method, your problem might be fixed, so you can go and check it out if your problem is solved. In the case if this doesn't work, then what you can do is reinstall your app. For that, long press on your Messenger app, tap on app info. At the bottom you can find the option of uninstall, tap on it and again go to the Play Store and reinstall your app. After you reinstall it, you can log into your Messenger and check if your problem is solved or not. If all of this solution doesn't work, then you can just restart your phone. After you apply all of these methods, your problem is definitely going to be solved. This is how you can fix Messenger not sending pictures. If your problem is solved at the end, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.